Test, 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 test. Okay.
GTS presents.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to see is not just some simple fist fight. This is the Multigenre Smackdown! 12 genres, 6 rounds, and they're gonna fight to the death to win the official title of Genre of the Year. For the first round, we have a quite aggressive fighter, destroying the scene with its iconic double-kick punches, Metal! And in the other corner we have, with 808s heavier than black holes, Trap! Are you guys fucking ready? Face off against another force harder than Russian bombshells. It's hot bass versus I think it's time to calm down a bit for now and roll the outbreak. Continuing the last round, we have a complex fighter, always thinking through its combos until the very last move. Introducing High Tech. But who knows if he can go against the long-running champion, who doesn't need introduction, Speedcore!
The BPM for this next fight is 727.
Ich habe fertig.